Hey guys, it's me, Donna, better known as Thrifttasticmom here on YouTube. Welcome to my channel. Today I thought I would just do a quick Temu haul. I got a package in the mail. I did open it just to make sure everything was in it. I thought I would share it with you and show you what I got from Temu. I haven't done a Temu haul since last year sometimes, and I got on there and done a quick little Temu haul and picked up a few things from there. Did pay for this with my money, of course. As you can see, it's a decent sized bag, but there's not that many items in it because a few of the items, of course, are bigger items. These are some things that I needed and I wanted. So let's see what we got. First thing that I picked up, this is just like a jar opener. It's a random jar opener because at my, as I'm getting older, it's harder for me to open things. It's harder for my husband sometimes to open things because he has had surgery on his arms, his wrist. So I figured this would help me and him both out. And this is what it looks like. I'll put up here in the video how much it cost me. But it's just a little like jar opener for different sizes. So I'll pick that up. It's actually a decent quality. Haven't tried it out yet to see how good it works. So hopefully it's going to work out good for us. And it ended up in the floor. That's the first item that I got. Second item I actually ordered two of and I didn't realize it. So I guess I'll use one and then I'll have a backup when the other one wears out. This is how it came packaged. Some of the bristles are mashed down a little bit on it. Right there. But this is just something that you can like suction down in your bathtub. And then you put some soap on this or on your foot, I guess, and then you just scrub your feet with it. Just like that. Put your foot in there, use the bristles, use the top bristles to scrub and clean your feet. I thought this would work good, especially on the foot where I have the hip issue, because this is hard for me to get down there and just like scrub my feet good. So I thought that would work good to wash my feet in the bathtub. And I did actually end up ordering two. I guess I put two in my cart and didn't realize it. Okay, next thing I picked up is this Lavender. This is by Rosina, 100 milligrams, which is 3.4 ounces of like a lavender essential oil. I'll use this in my diffuser that I have in my bedroom. Just because I love the lavender scent. Smelled it as soon as it come out in the box. The bottle's not full. It only goes up to about right there on the bottle. This is a little push to the side, but it's not leaking or anything. It's dry. So I picked that up. Then I got, this came in a little package like that. And what this is, I don't know the technical name for this, but it's a little strip of like white stuff that goes around the bottom of your toilet. That way you don't have to see any kind of gunk that comes up around the bottom of your toilet. So I thought maybe that would look good. I'll clean it real good around my toilet and then I'll put this stripping around it just to make it look a little neater between the toilet and the floor. So I picked that up for that. And then I know I got a pair of earrings in here somewhere. Here's the other shoe that I bought. Didn't realize it. I got two of those. Got some earrings in here somewhere. I did buy another one of these grabbers because I accidentally broke one pair of mine. So I got some more of these. I like to keep one in the bedroom just for quick grabs so I don't have to walk all the way in here to the kitchen to get the other ones. And I keep one, you know, set in the kitchen living room area. I like that these actually fold up if you needed them to, but usually once I buy them, I don't fold them up. Pop together in the middle. And they're nice, really nice. I still got my other pair that I use, and they do pick up quite well. So I did get me another one to replace the ones that I broke. What I did is I had them in my hand one day and was picking up stuff around the bedroom, and then I kind of lost my balance, so I put the thing down. It was in my hand, so I just like put it on the floor to catch myself, and when I did that, it pushed this too far apart and kind of like broke one of the legs on it. So, but it did catch me from falling, so that was a good thing. So I was glad to get that. I like to have one in, oh, I got two more things. I like to have them in each room. I need to keep one in my car just so I can take one with me when I go places, because sometimes if I'm in a thrift store, I'm bad about looking at something, I may drop it in the floor, and I don't want to have to bend over a lot because I don't want to have to come up and struggle in front of people. So I need to keep some in the car and take ones with me or something. But I got these. These are actually earrings. I thought these were pretty. Y'all know I am a floral girl. I love my floral stuff. And I thought these were pretty, so I just picked up one pair of earrings because I don't really need a lot of, I got plenty of earrings. But I thought these were pretty. They just kind of hang, and then they got this pretty floral. Ain't those pretty? Let's see, maybe I can put them on because I don't have any earrings in. They didn't come with any kind of little plastic bags, but they were very cheap, so I don't care about that. Just putting them on so you see they do have some size to them. Well, if I can get it in my ear. Okay, 2 years later, I finally got that one in. But that's what they look like. They're a little sticking. There we go, that's a little better. They're wanting to stick because they come right up in the edge of the hook there. I thought they were pretty. I may have to work on them, loosen them. What I need to do is, because they ain't been worn, is just work them back and forth like that until they rub down a little bit. That way they don't stick on the hook. But I thought they were pretty. I like those. Really pretty. Those look good with some of the dresses I got. So I picked those up. And then the last thing I got, I've been trying to get one of these for a long time. I finally went ahead and got one. This is those little, I'm not sure of the name of them, but they help you put your bracelets on. You hold it and attach your bracelet to it, and then you can pull your bracelet around your arm and put your bracelet on by yourself, attach it. Because sometimes I ask my husband to help me, but if those clasps are small, he has a hard time, you know, like hooking it himself. But this is supposed to be made where you can like grab it and hold it. Grab a hold of it. It holds your bracelet. I have to look back at the picture, but pulls it around for you so you can like attach it yourself. So I went ahead and got one. They're super cheap on Temu, so I went ahead and picked one up just to help me. I figured maybe I'd wear my bracelets a little more if you know I have that assistance to help me get it on a little better. So I picked that up. So I guess you end up buying things like that as you get older because you need assistance, you know, with stuff like that. So I picked that up. I mean, it's not a lot, but it's some things that I wanted. I'll put my total here of what I paid for everything. And like I say, I don't shop at Temu like I used to just because we're on a budget, but if I could, I would like shop all the time on Temu because they do have a lot of good stuff on there. But I just wanted to show you the things that I picked up and the quality of the things that I picked up. I mean, everything that I picked up, if I bought it on, I mean, it's like quality of something I bought on Amazon. If I picked it up from Amazon or something, it's, you know, it's good enough quality to use. And this shoe here, actually, the bristles on this one ain't squished. So, I mean, you would buy this out of Walmart or off Amazon, same exact thing, but you just get it a little cheaper on Temu, and I love that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my little Temu haul. It wasn't a grand Temu haul, but you know, I did get a few things, and I wanted to share it with you. So I hope you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me while I shared this stuff with you. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed. And I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. God bless. Bye.